welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So it's been almost 3 months gap since I made a YouTube video. So today I'm planning to do a video on a long-term experience with the Noise Play Action camera, which is a vlog edition. I took this in the month of June in 2019. Now it's March 22nd. As it's Janta curfew, I got sufficient time to make an YouTube video. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is the action camera which I got it from Flipkart for 6,000 rupees. Comparing to the camera, the build quality of accessories is top notch. I'm not satisfied with the build quality of the camera. Wait, I will show you how is the build quality of the camera. This how the camera looks, almost similar to the models of GoPro. I think the camera is not focusing properly. Let it be. Even I'm not satisfied with the video quality, but for this price point of view, the video quality is quite good. But I'm having an issue with the heating of the camera. In the video shooting mode, if I record it with 1080p 60 frames per second, the recording will start, but after 10 to 15 seconds the camera suddenly shuts off. That is the big problem I'm facing. If I record it in 1080p 30 frames, then it works quite good, and the company claims the video is good and stable. No, it is not that stable. As I told, comparing to price point of view, the stabilization is also up to the mark. And coming to external mic port, I not used external mic port much. I used to just take it in the street, and I used to just record the video, and I used to dump in the laptop, but I never logged it this. So at the conclusion, for the price point of view, this camera is good for the vloggers in the for the beginner vloggers like me. If you are one step ahead from the beginners, then the best choice to go for you is SJ SJ6 Legend. That is the best camera, but that camera price is exactly twice of this action camera. It's cost around 12 or 13,000. But this camera has many features. The most wanted for the most asked feature on action camera, that too in the budget action camera, is the external mic port, which you get on this can see here down. As I not inserted the SD card, the camera will not work. Once I will try. This is how it works. You can see me in this. If the camera focuses well, then you can see me through the camera. Comparatively, the image, the video quality of in this action camera is quite brighter. I'm not happy with the color corrections and all. Even this camera won't work good in the low light condition, like in the night and all. You can't expect that quality which GoPro provides you, because GoPro is almost 5 to 6 times of this action camera's price. It's around 37,000 only for the action camera without accessories. The accessory which Noise will provide is almost sufficient for the vloggers who want to do motor vlogging and all, but for the GoPro you have to again buy external mic. The only mic adapter cost you around 5,000 and the mic around 1800 or 2000. Within that price, 7,000, you will get only the mic adapter and mic. You will get this camera by saving 1,000 rupees now from that purchasing the adapter and mic. So as I'm using it quite a long time, I'm not that happy with the action camera, but I can manage the things. So this is it for this video. So this video, okay, I'm not getting any words to speak up, because and even I'm holding my phone to record the external audio, because my DSLR is not having an external mic port, so I can't attach the external mic to it to record the audio. So I'm recording it with my iPhone, then I'll merge it in the editing software. Thank you for watching this video till here. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. I'll mention the Instagram account link in the description box, even the link for the action camera where you want to buy this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Until then, signing off, Raghu. Bye bye.